everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do 1,000 crayon. Alright, we'll use this beautiful Japanese rice paper. First step, we'll fold the paper to half into a triangle and fold it to another smaller triangle. We open up one side of the triangle, turn it into a square, flip it over, repeat the same. Turn the triangle to be a square. Now, we turn the big square into a smaller square. The next step is a little tricky. Pay attention to it. I tuck one side into half. If you miss that part, that's okay. I'm going to repeat one more time. Sometimes it's hard to describe by words. That's why we have the visual. And you learn how you see it. Alright, now we're going to turn to another side. Repeat the same step. Okay. So whatever you do, it's you have 4 chances because it's symmetrical. You do one side, the left side, to the right side, and flip it over, and left side and right side again. So you have plenty of practice. Now, we turn a square into a diamond shape. Okay? Now, we're going to turn the diamond shape half. Okay, see? Then flip it to another side, make the diamond shape to half. We just make the bigger diamond shape to a skinnier, leaner diamond shape by folding it half. Alright, this is the magic. We're gonna fold this side over, okay? And then fold the other side. Then we'll design where is the tail and where is the hat. Since I already see a little hint come out here, I'm going to turn this into the hat of the crayon. And that becomes the tail. Look, the crayon is made. It's ready to fly. Voila! It's 1,000 crayon, 3 of the 1,000. If you make it 1,000, your wish will come true and bring you all the fortunes. Enjoy!